in this video, I want to go over one of the things that I believe is key to Edison Motors' long-run success. That's our strategic partnerships. Now, we had a lot of people reach out to buy a truck, and I wish we could have provided a truck to every single one. But given the first few trucks we're building, they have to go to the right customers because the right customers are going to help us win together. Now, some of them have invested with us. Others are spending their time and energy to help us get the best trucks. See, these guys that are taking trucks are experts in their fields of trucks. We've got Emcon, for example, who builds all the snowplow rig up in their own shop and is helping us to build their truck in their shop. They've got a feedback on what works on their snowplows, what doesn't, and they're providing us that information on how to build a better snowplow together. You have Tolkol, where Shane has 40-50 years of experience in the logging industry with logging trucks. He's seen what works, he's seen what doesn't, and he is going to be coming in here to give us his great feedback on what's going to make a better truck. We have DeBoss Garage, who's an expert on these pickups and has been doing these custom builds for years. All of our customers are amazing with their knowledge that they are bringing, and we're working together to make sure that we build the best product. You see, I think one of the problems with a lot of these EV semi-truck guys is that they didn't know their customers. They knew the EV side really well. They could build a great electric vehicle, but there was a disconnect between what they thought was a great vehicle and what their customers may think was a great vehicle. You've seen some very public complaints about their trucks from some of their customers. We're going to make sure that we work with our customers really closely. Some of our customers, we have weekly meetings where their mechanics, their head guys get together with our engineers and we talk about some of the things we're designing and get active feedback the entire step in the design process. It's not just telling us what they want to see for a truck, it's working together to build the best truck for their needs. And the cool thing is we're tackling industries with electric vehicles that without the hybrid application would never be possible. So now that we're designing some of these trucks to work with our hybrid system, and they're partnerships between the trucking company, the equipment manufacturer, and us, well, we're going to be tied in together. So it's going to lead to future truck deliveries for these strategic ones, because once it's designed for that application with the electric, well, then that's a chassis that they're probably going to hopefully go with. That is the plan with all of these, is that it's going to lead to future recurring sales as these larger fleets continue to buy our trucks that we've designed together. So I just think that knowing that market, understanding the customer needs, and working directly with the customer to build the best product through these strategic partnerships is going to be the best strategy going forward. And I think it's what puts Edison ahead over all of the other semi-truck manufacturers, especially when it comes to vocational trucks. All right, guys, I want to just take a couple seconds. We're not doing an ad. I just want to thank everyone that's invested with Edison Motors. You guys know we don't have venture capital. We don't have that kind of money. We told them no. We are invested and owned by the fans like you who are watching this video. You guys supported us all the way when it was just an idea, through building Carl to building Topsy, and now as we go back into our next production run, taking this next step. So all of you that supported us, invested with us, thank you so much. We appreciate it more than you know.